Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bonfida. As in my previous video, I was showing you that how Bonfida has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern, and after breaking out, it was gearing up after the retest of the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then after this retest, it has geared up and now it has reach the next key resistance that we have at 60 cents. And in today's video we will take a look at this move, but before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all let me begin with my recent trade signal of Bonfida that I shared with my members few days back on 7th of January, when the Bonfida completed a very nice price reversal pattern that was a harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern on the 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line from this buying zone, you can see it first drop more down inside the buying zone, then we had a very powerful pump, and this is, by the way, more than a 75% pump so far. And before that, I also shared another harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern that was, by the way, in the month of September 2022. And after playing this chart, we can see that from this buying zone, the price line started a very nice reversal, and this was, by the way, more than 45% pump, and the price line again moved down, and then we had another pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can join me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. I have shared the links to join me there in the video's description. Now let me take you to this weekly time frame chart, and here we have been following this very long-term downtrend line resistance of the down channel. I have been sharing this resistance line in my every video, and I have been telling you for the past several months that once Bonfida will be able to break out this downtrend line resistance, then we can expect a very big pump. And you can see that here we left this resistance of the down channel but found another downtrend line resistance of another falling wedge pattern, and this resistance was basically found here in the month of Feb 2022, another quite long-term resistance. And once the price line again broke out this next resistance of this falling wedge pattern, then we had a very nice pump up to $1.55, but got rejected because here we had a lot of resistance. You can see previously for several weeks and months it has been working as a support from January 2022 up till March 2022, and therefore now it has flipped into a strong resistance for the price line. Now after the breakout, you can see it has retested the previous resistance of the wedge as a support, and now it has geared up, but again reached the next resistance here at 60 cents, and so far it is not able to break it out. If we take a look at the smaller time frame chart, then here we have the formation of an ascending triangle on the 4-hour time frame chart. And for example, if the price line breaks this pattern, for example if it breaks this pattern to the downside, then our target to the downside can be here approximately at 37 to 38 cents. And in case of breaking out this pattern, this ascending triangle, our target to the upside can be approximately at 50 cents, and we will be again very close to this resistance of 60 cents. However, the final target for this big breakout from this down channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $15, but before that we have a lot of resistance here. You can see we have several touch points here at $10. Therefore, preferably I would suggest you to set your sell targets here for the long term at $10. However, it can go to $15 as well, because that is the top of the channel. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.